This is Afsil here. I am one of the copy trader came along with. So I just want to give you a short explanation about today's two trades. I took two trades today. One was on a short entry on Axis Bank and one was a long trade on HDFC Bank. So first trade was a losing trade. It was almost cost to cost, but the HDFC was a winning trade. So I'll give you a short. I'll get into the trading and why did I make this trade and all. So first of all, if you are seeing this trend line, this is all based on multiple time frame analysis and all. So once you switch your time frame to 15 minutes, you will be able to find that there is a symmetrical pattern has been forming over here. So that was my level markings on yesterday, and my entry was based on those levels. So I'm just quickly switching my time frame to 5 minutes. So what happened today was, this is the first candle which came today morning, and this particular candle, very next candle had shown a kind of a pin bar. So I was expecting this particular stock to give me a drop, and even the Nifty bank was dropping in the morning time. So I was expecting this particular stock to give me a good momentum. So what I did, I just shorted this particular stock around 9:30, around 9:30ish time. I was expecting the stock to give me a 1% of profit, like a little bit more than that. The first level of target would be 0.6, which is my trend line over here, and I kept a stop loss above the day's high. So what happened was, like after taking at 9:30, the trade was too long. Like it took me around more than 30 to 40 minutes on a single trade. So it was supposed to give me a good momentum, but it took a while for the stock to give me a profit. So I exited this trade on this very big candle at 10 o'clock. Around 10:10, there was a big green candle has been formed. It just broke my moving averages. I trade this basically on just naked charts, and I use the moving averages. So what happened, I just got exited on this particular trade with the 80 paise of loss, because I was trailing the stop loss, and I just took my stop loss around 0.1%. So this was my first trade, and the trend got reversed. As I instead of taking a 0.5%, I was trailing my stop loss, and it came to nearby swing high, and the stop loss got hit. So that was the first trade, and it didn't even give me a good moment. It just gave me only 0.3 to 0.4% of right. So that was a losing trade, first trade. As you guys can see that it just broke down and it went to an uptrend. And today Nifty and Bank Nifty was on a bullish side. So obviously that was happened, like it was following the whole index and it was moving on. So that was my first losing trade, and I made a loss of 80 paise per share on this particular trade. And the very next trade was on HDFC Bank. So this was the interesting trade, and it took a while. So same thing, the trend line which I have drawn already is based on multi-time frame analysis, and I made my entry around 1386.60. That was my buy entry around this time. So the time was 10:35. Yeah. So once it breaks, right, you'll be able to see that there was a multiple rejection at this point at the 1388 88.80 and all. There was a multiple rejections. So that was taken into consideration while I was making the trade. Once it broke, and the EMLM was acting as a support. So what I did, I just took my trade on a pullback at the 1388.6, and I was expecting a target of roughly more than 1% of target. But I exited the trade little bit early, so I'll be explaining that. So first of all, let me show you a short zoom out of this particular charts. So if you see this, around once it reaches the 95 level, the price got rejected based on a different levels on previous days. So I was expecting a 1%, but I was forced to book my profits around 0.4% of profit, because once you zoom in, you'll be able to see that this particular stock is being consolidating for a while. The stock is being consolidating for a while and is being facing a clear rejection around this point, around 1395 to 96 levels. It was facing a rejection. So once it started facing rejection and the stock couldn't sustain above this level, I had to cut my profits around this part, and it gave me a 0.4% of total profit. But after 12 o'clock, 12:55 only, it just broke, and once the Nifty and Bank Nifty started being really bullish. The particular stock had given me a good target, but I already exited my trade. But my point was correct. But it was a long trade. Even if you're staying on this trade, it would be like a little bit of long trade. But yeah, that's it. Like end of the day, I just covered my losses, and an overall of 0.5% of target was achieved on HDFC Bank. So that was a two trade of today, and I'll be expecting another levels on for tomorrow's trade. Like once it started giving patterns and all, I'll be looking for another good trades. For example, there's been a double top is been forming. Once it's been sustaining, I'll be expecting a reversal from tomorrow. So that will be it for today's trade, and it has given a like 1.2% of total profit. If you're using leverages and all, I will be getting a net profit. So that will be it for today's trade.